Hello friends, our today's topic is pin description of 8255 PPI. Before going through this video, I will suggest you please go through my previous video that is on 8255 PPI. In that video, I have explained block diagram of 8255 PPI and features of each block. I also provide link of that particular videos in the description below. So please go through it. Today we will see pin description of 8255 PPI. IC 8255 PPI is of 40 pin IC, means there are total 40 pins. It is in DIP package, means in dual inline package. So these are the different pins of 8255 IC. Now in this case we observe that pin number 26 is for VCC and pin number 7 is for ground. Then these are the 8 data pins from D0 to D7. These are nothing but the bidirectional data bus. Then here is port A. We know that port A have 8 pins. So these are the 4 pins PA0 to PA3 and remaining 4 pins, that is PA4 to PA7, are given on the pin number 37 to pin number 40. Port B is given PB0 to PB2 on pin number 18, 19, 20. Remaining pins are at PB3, PB4, PB5, PB6 and PB7, that is on pin number 21 to pin number 25. Next, port C. Port C has 8 pins, that is from PC0 to PC7. As we know that port C is divided into two 4-bit ports, that is PC0 to PC3 on pin number 14 to pin number 17, PC4 to PC7 on pin number 10 to pin number 13. There are two address lines A0 and A1 for selection of port or control register. Now one by one we will see description or function of each pin one by one. तर आपण पाहिलं की 8255 PPI मध्ये जी IC आहे ती आहे 40 पिन IC. तर VCC जी आहे म्हणजे ज्याचे आपल्याला सप्लाय द्यावा लागतो IC ला ती आहे पिन नंबर 26 आणि ग्राउंड जो आहे तो दिलाय पिन नंबर 7 वर. 8255 ला 3 पोर्ट असतात, पोर्ट A, पोर्ट B आणि पोर्ट C. तर पोर्ट A दिलाय पिन नंबर 1 ते 4, त्याच्यावर दिलाय पिन्स PA0 टू PA3. उरलेल्या ज्या पिन आहेत 4, दॅट इज PA4 टू PA7, त्या दिलाय पिन नंबर 40 ते पिन नंबर 37. त्यानंतर पोर्ट बी जो दिलाय तो दिलाय PB0 टू PB2, दॅट इज 18 टू पिन नंबर 20. उरलेल्या ज्या पिन्स आहे PB3 टू PB7 त्या दिलाय पिन नंबर 21 टू 25. पोर्ट सी च्या ज्या पिन आहे 8 पिन PC0 टू PC3 त्या दिल्या पिन नंबर 10 ते पिन नंबर 17 मध्ये. दोन ऍड्रेस लाईन्स आहे A1 आणि A0 त्या दिल्या पिन नंबर 8 आणि पिन नंबर 9. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल सी द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ each pin one by one. So first D0 to D7. These are nothing but the bidirectional data bus. These bus are connected to the system data bus for the data transfer between CPU and 8255 PPI. Means if we want to transfer data between CPU and 8255 PPI, so the data transmission can be possible only through D0 to D7. These are the bidirectional data bus. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे की CPU आणि 8255 मध्ये जर डाटा कम्युनिकेट करायचा असेल, म्हणजे CPU ला डाटा सेंड करायचा आहे थ्रू 8255 किंवा रिसीव्ह करायचं असेल, तर फॉर दॅट पर्पज आपल्याकडे 8 डेटा बस आहे D0 टू D7. त्या बायडायरेक्शनल बस आहे, म्हणजे त्याच्यावरनं डाटा आपण राईट करू शकतो, त्याच्यावरनं डेटा रीड पण करू शकतो. ओके, सो दीज आर द बायडायरेक्शनल डेटा बस. त्यानंतरची जी नेक्स्ट पिन इज CS bar, that is for chip select. So this is an active low input signal used to select the 8255 IC. Means when we are going to use 8255 IC, this pin is always enabled, that is we have to provide logic low at this pin. RD, it is an active low input signal used to send a data to CPU through data lines. Means when CPU wants to read a data from 8255, then at this case these pins are used to send a data to the CPU through data lines. Means CPU can read the data. WR, that is write pin. It is an active low input signal used to send a data to 8255 through data lines. Means when CPU wants to write data through 8255, at that time the data is sent to 8255. Next pin is, that is address lines A0 to A1. These two pins in combination are active high address lines used to distinguish different ports or control register of 8255. Means these pins are used to select whether we are going to use the ports, that is A, B or C, or control word register. So this table gives complete information regarding this. Here A1, A0, these are two pins and selected port. When both the pins are 0, that is A1 0, A0 0, then port A is selected. When A1 is 0, A0 is 1, then port B is selected. When A1 is 1 and A0 is 0, then port C is selected. When both the pins are high, that is A1 1, A0 is 1, then control word register is selected. Okay. Reset. This is an active high input signal. It is used to reset the 8255. Means when we want to reset 8255, then we have to provide active high signal to this pin. Next pin is PA0 to PA7. These are bidirectional input-output pins used. These pins can perform two operations, that is for input or output. Means it is used to send data to peripherals, or it can also use to read data from the peripherals. Means it performs the bidirectional operation. All these pins, it has 8 pins. All pins are of port A. The contents are transferred to or from the port A. Next is PB0 to PB7. These are again bidirectional IO pins of port B. These are also perform the same function as a port A, that is to send data to peripherals or to read data from the peripherals. The contents are transferred to or from port B. Last pin is PC0 to PC7. These are bidirectional input-output pins. These lines are divided into two sections, that is PC0 to PC3 and PC4 to PC7. Means these are the pins of port C upper and port C lower.